Nowadays, our vehicles, such as buses and cars, burn fossil fuels, ejecting them to our environment, which are dangerous for us.
What happened?
It's bad.
But what can we do to solve the problem of contamination?
I don't know.
What we can do is to produce new technology friendly for our environment.
Yes, like to produce electric cars.
Electric cars are a good solution for the fossil fuel emissions. Why? Electric vehicle is the one that not require a gas. It uses electricity, and electricity is much cheaper than gas. Depending on the month, electricity on average is 4 to 5 times cheaper than gas. Electric cars give off no emissions of gases to the environment. And what are you waiting for? Go for your new electric car. Enjoy your benefits.
About this topic, I conclude that thanks to the technology, we can develop some instruments that help us to reduce the emissions of gases that affect our health and our environment.
Well, about this topic, I understand that using the cars and the buses is very dangerous for our health and environment because release some pollutants in our air. So we can use more the bicycle and use less the car in order to reduce the contamination of our environment.
There exist many different types of contamination, like as we see the burning of fossil fuels, and we need to take conscience and change for another energies like the electric cars and the biomass that can replace that with a little of contamination.
During this activity, I learned that the burning of fossil fuels have many consequences in us and in the environment. And for that, we need to reduce them. We need to stop it, but at least we have to reduce it by actions like walk instead of using the car or using the bus. We can also use more cold water instead of hot water and do not let the light bulb turn on for many times.
Well, in this topic we saw how the use of fossil fuels affect us and affect our environment. Also, we saw how, thanks to the technology, we can create new alternatives or options to don't use these fossil fuels and in this form help our planet.
Well, in this